Hey guys, I got tired of having to carry my kayak out to the truck early in the morning, way before daylight when I was getting ready to go fishing. So I come up with a little cart to push it from my garage, and the kayak usually just stays on this cart. It's fully rigged. All I do is roll it out to the truck, slide the kayak off, grab the gear that's underneath it, and stick it on the truck, and I'm ready to go to the river. So hold on just a second and I'll roll it out here and let you guys see what I've come up with. Alright guys, here's what I've come up with. I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to take you around it, tell you what I did, give you the dimensions on making your own if you're interested. But it works out pretty good. Okay, here's the finished product. As you can see, I've got a board underneath that I can store my gear. PFD hanging off the side with my bag that I normally stick up front, and any other little gadgets I want to hang. And then the back side, I've got my coolers hanging, and I've got my kayak paddle hanging off the side, and for those really cold mornings, I got my fur ball to keep my feet warm. Thought you guys would enjoy that one. Okay, here's what I did. Basically, I took the whole thing is built with 2x4s. And let's see if I can back up. On the sides, I built the frame in 2 different pieces in this configuration. And then I put in the supports here and here while it was laying on the floor or the concrete. And then the other side, I did the same thing. Alright, the dimensions on this is 26 inches to the outside, it's 38 inches to the very top of the 2x4 here. The length of it, outside to outside, is 60 inches long. Once I had the frame done, I stood both of them up and took a 2x4 and laid across the bottom and the top on both ends and just nailed it together. Then I took, I believe this was, and I will double check and confirm that gray 1.25 inch electrical plastic conduit. It's basically like PVC, but to me it's a little more flexible. I wanted something that when I put my kayak on it, it would actually flex with the kayak curvature on the sides, because I wanted to get support all the way around the kayak. And what I did is I drilled a hole so I could stick a screwdriver in, and then drilled a hole for the screw to go inside here. I don't know if you guys can see it, it looks kind of dark. And then just screwed it to the 2x4 that I set standing up across this way. Then what I did is, this is some kind of really soft closed cell foam that I had picked up to make a what was it, a Kayak press. So any of you guys that know about the Kayak presses, this is nothing but just really soft foam. And I started out with one piece that's 1 inch thick and running across here, and I set the kayak on it to see how it was going to sit. And I noticed I had places on each side on both ends that were really kind of open and wasn't supporting in this area. So I took some shorter pieces and just gorilla taped it here, and the same place on the other end. And the kayak sits perfectly on it. It's supported all the way around the kayak. So we'll find out how good this is going to work out. So far, it's been sitting on it for about a week. I have no issues so far with the bottom of it having dents or anything like that. It seems to be supporting it pretty good. So if you guys have any comments, if you have any questions on making this, I did this on Sunday afternoon. Probably took me 3 or 4 hours of just playing around with it, getting it the way I wanted it. So far it's been very versatile. I really like it in the morning times when I get ready to go fishing. I just scoot it out to the truck, slide it off the truck, and when I get back, all I have to do is roll the cart out, slide the kayak back on it, back in the garage, and I'm in the house sitting in the recliner. Anyway guys, me and Bella appreciate you watching our channel, and if you liked the video, please click the like. If you haven't subscribed, you like our channel, please subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. I'll answer all comments and appreciate any comments, good or bad.